Keyboard shortcut to hide/show Explorer navigation. Does Windows Explorer in Windows 7 have a keyboard shortcut that hides or shows the navigation pane? It's pretty annoying each time to click Organize vertical bar layout vertical bar navigation pane. I don't believe there is a keyboard shortcut. I just tried all the Control/Alt plus alphabet keys, and none of them open the navigation pane.
In Windows 8.1, maybe Windows 8 and AMP 7.2, one needs to verify this. You can add the navigation pane option to the quick access toolbar. You can then use the Alt plus number key shortcut followed by the Enter key to show/hide the navigation pane. For example, in my case, the navigation pane icon is the third item in the quick access toolbar, so I would press Alt plus 3 and then Enter to turn the pane on/off. This has improved my workflow tremendously. Hope it helps you too. How to configure. Open Windows File Explorer. Right-click View tab. Right-click Navigation Pane toolbar button. Click Add to Quick Access toolbar menu item. Screenshots. Figure 1, right-click menu. Figure 2, quick access toolbar with navigation pane. Related notes. With respect to the quick access toolbar, it is important to note that shortcuts are assigned left to right. For example, with reference to Figure 2, Alt plus 1 equals Show Properties. Alt plus 2 equals Create New Folder. Alt plus 3 equals Show/hide navigation pane. Shortcuts only work with the number keys at the top of a QWERTY keyboard. They do not work with the number pad number keys.
Here is how I do it. 1. Alt plus D puts the focus in the address bar, so works wherever it was before. 2. Tab, tab. 3. Space. 4. L. 5. N. This is optimized for speed of typing. You can save a tab if you use Ctrl plus E or Ctrl plus F to put the focus in the search box instead. If you've just opened the window, 3 presses of Tab will get you to the Organize button in Step 3.
Here is a auto hotkey script. When +A toggles the Navi pane,